Okay, so I'm here at a wedding, and I wanted to, but I happened to get the iPad Pro here, and I got the keyboard. So what I'm doing is I'm seeing that it didn't fit this case, so with the keyboard in it. So what I'm doing is I'm adjusting a little bit here to see if it'll work. This is Dave the Leatherman at work. Here we go. Now let's see if it fits. So this goes in here, this goes in here, and this goes in right here. No, I'm gonna cut a little more. So my guys would do this a lot better than I can do it. See what happens. I'm gonna tighten this up a little bit too. All right, here we go. Doesn't seem like it's on as upright as it should. Would you look at there? Actually, I'm going to want it right about like that. Oh, this is going to be sweet. Ah, look at there. It connects. Got room there. It's like I designed it like that. I'm pretty happy. All right, I think we're good.